Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily block sites on Google Chrome. So you know yourself, you go to YouTube, you go to Facebook and you spend a lifetime there. And how you can actually change that, what you can do about it. Just write to Google Chrome block site extension. This is for me the best website blocker for Chrome, and I will explain you how we can use it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add to Chrome and add extension. Right now, thank you for installing block site. Okay, just agree, and now you can enter a web address. What you can do also, you can write it like facebook.com, and let's say that I want to block Instagram because I'm addicted to Instagram. So what I'm going to do, when I'm going to write Facebook, I'm not able to go there. But when I'm going to write Instagram, and I will click here, it's not blocked. But what can I do is to find this extension here, and you can block this site and it will automatically be blocked, which is amazing. Now, when you want to edit the block sites, at least when you want to unblock it, you will find it here and you can block it. I recommend just right here also all kind of sites that you are using, that you are time consuming, already.com, twitter.com, these like crazy. I honestly like YouTube, and I recommend download DFTube for YouTube, because DFTube will allow you to not having homepage and suggested videos and browse features on YouTube, which is amazing. Because right now when I go to YouTube, I don't see anything, so I don't click on anything, and that's good. That's really good. So thank you and goodbye.